Hello everyone. My name is Priya. I am 6 years old. I live in Mumbai. My father name is Nilkantha. He is a teacher. My mother name is Dipali. She is a homemaker. I study in UKG. My school name Adarsh School. My favorite food is khichdi. My favorite color is pink. I love watch to cartoon. My hobbies dancing and reading. My best friend name is Neha. My mother tongue is Marathi. I love my family very much. My birthday is on 29 December. I want to become doctor. That's all about me. Thanks you.